Morning here. I'm doing this diagnostic, mobile diagnostic here for this GMC Envoy 2002, and customer concern is driver side front power window and door locks inoperative. All of them are working. Like, we're gonna confirm customer concern. So this is the front. See it goes up and down. Rear. Okay. Door locks. Well, this video was going to be how to demonstrate how to test the circuit. However, in between this, anything changes, and the only thing I disconnected was that plug here for powers and grounds on the 4 pins, and everything started back working. So now I seem like I'm a liar, but look at the power door locks working now. Power windows is working. So I'm gonna make the video related to how to test the system at this point, because I know we have issues inside right there into that probably the board. It's cracked, the solders or something inside, because nothing else I have touched, only that one. So then let me show how we will test this system to verify they are getting power grounds and all that kind of stuff. So it's just gonna be basically a demonstration how to test, because right now everything is back working. I gotta pull up here my wiring diagram for this one. So we're gonna go here to passenger driver side power window switch. So right here, module. So I was looking for powers and grounds. D is orange, we can see here's a battery, and ground. So those are the main thing. We start with any module, power and ground, black and orange on the 4-pin connector. So what do I do here is this is the only one I touch like this. I press on it on the board like this, and when I did that one, everything started working. So we're gonna do a test on that one with a loader circuit. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these pins and using a homemade test light. Let me connect this one because I need 2 hands. Okay, as we can see here, I am connected to the tan and black, A and D. Okay, like there's the wiring diagram here, A, black and orange, as we can see, ground and power. Okay, loader test. So there is good power, good ground. Okay, these 2 other pins on the center, tan and blue, are for power window up and down. Look at here, tan and black, and we can see here front passenger motor window. At this point, because everything is working, I cannot demonstrate what I wanted to show before, because like I said, it started working when I pressed on here, and I cannot reduplicate the condition because right now everything went back to work. So I just press on the board here. Okay, but I will demonstrate how the link wire communicates, because I didn't know at that point if this switch was bad or that switch on the driver's side was not sending a command for communication, because these are basically both a computer. So we're gonna demonstrate that one here with the picoscope. We're gonna connect that one and learn a little bit more about this. Oh, here I am connected to the ground here for the scope, and pin 9 for the data link connection for I mean like a data class 2 for a GM, and then I got the picoscope here, channel A. So we're gonna go on the other side and see activity on the network and how that works. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be doing here. I wanted to activate the network there, so I will just be sending a message like this, but obviously I will be doing on this one. So I will be doing like this, so that way we will see activity on the scope, and at the same time the door locks, because the signal goes throughout here to the class 2 data 2, and monitor on the scope. This is what I'm gonna be doing, okay, to compare when there are signals sent out and when there are not. Okay, so I got the scope here. This is when signals had not been sent out. Okay, look at that one, no signals. On the next screen I will be activating the door lock, up and down, okay, right there. Release now, so we can see the network activity increases, look right here. So that means they are receiving the data, the package there. Okay, now I'm gonna activate the power window. There is some voltage drop there on the center, we can see that, because I am connected to that ground for the motor, you see that one? No message. Yeah, that one are only, like a signal being sent out for diagnostic purpose of the circuit only. Release. No message being sent out. Message being sent out. Okay, so that's how it works. About 7 volts, as we can see here for that. 0 to 7 volts is basically how this system works. The class 2 network on these GMs. Okay, so this is basically just a description how the system works, because realistically it's gonna be, this is needing that switch, the power window switch, and it's basically computer, passenger side computer, and it's gonna be it, because like I said before, I started my diagnostic. That one started working properly right when I touched that one, because I could confirm customer concern for sure. And then I was going to start doing my test of powers and ground. When I touched that one, boom, everything came back to life. Okay, thank you very much for tuning. Well, since the system started working, when I touched this one, I wanted to find out if I find any cracks soldering inside or what. So I opened the switch. Okay, pretty dirty here, but that's what we see most of the time. Okay, so is this on this side, the 4 pins, pin 8, but what I see here is like electronic type of, like a solid state relay made in Brazil, because it said Portugal there. I don't know if that's really Brazil or is in Portugal, so whatever. So I don't see any cracks soldering here. A couple boards here, like this one here. You can see a couple relays here. I think that one might be for the door locks, because this one has has a door locks, and it's another one here. So there's some electronic stuff are really out of my knowledge. However, I just was looking for something really I could see, like something I can do. But sometimes there are cracks solder, and I have reflashed them, and how it has worked. But in this case, I don't see that. So it was a bonus. I wanted to just give you guys and find out, if there was some quick repair. But apparently it's not. This switch is about $350 at the dealer. It's coming up.